In this video, you'll learn how to run a Google Cloud function locally. Running your Google Cloud function locally can be a game changer, allowing you to test and debug your code without deploying it to the cloud first. Whether you're developing a new function or tweaking an existing one, this process will save you time and help ensure everything runs smoothly before you make it live. First, you'll need to install the Google Cloud SDK. The Google Cloud SDK is a set of tools that you can use to manage your Google Cloud resources, including your cloud functions. It's essential for running your functions locally as it provides the necessary command line tools. You can download the SDK from the official Google Cloud website. Follow the instructions there to install it on your operating system. Once you have it installed, you may want to run the gcloud init command in your terminal to authenticate and configure your SDK with your Google Cloud account. Next, open your terminal. The terminal is a command line interface that allows you to interact with your computer's operating system using text commands. It's a powerful tool for developers and crucial for running your functions locally. If you're on a Mac or Linux machine, you can find the terminal in your Applications or Utilities folder. Windows users will use the command prompt or PowerShell. Once your terminal is open, navigate to the folder where your Google Cloud function is located. You can do this using the cd command, which stands for change directory. Simply type cd followed by the path to your functions directory. For example, if your function is in a folder called my function on your desktop, you would type cd equals desktop/my function. This command will change the terminal's current working directory to the folder containing your function's code. Now it's time to run the local emulator command. This command will start an emulator that mimics the Google Cloud Functions environment on your local machine. The command you need to enter is functions framework target, where it is the name of the function you want to test. The functions framework is a lightweight development framework for writing and running your Google Cloud functions locally. It allows you to test your functions in a simulated environment that behaves similarly to the real Google Cloud Functions environment. Make sure you have the functions framework installed as part of your project dependencies. You can typically do this by running npm install at Google Cloud/functions framework if you're using Node.js. Finally, test your function locally. Once your emulator is running, your function will be available at http://localhost 8080 or another port if you've specified one. You can use a tool like curl or postman to send requests to your function and see how it responds. This step is crucial because it allows you to interact with your function as if it were live, checking for any bugs or unexpected behavior. Remember, testing your Google Cloud function locally is a great way to catch issues early, refine your logic, and ensure everything works as expected before deploying to the cloud. By following these steps, you'll be able to streamline your development process and deploy with confidence. Thanks for watching and happy coding.